No matter what vehicle you use to get around, boat, RV, ATV, camper, car, truck, SUV, the CEL-FI ROAM R41 will keep you connected when you're on the move. The R41 is the first product in the CEL-FI ROAM line of mobile repeaters designed to address nomadic applications. Nextivity has you covered where you work, live, and go. From motor cars to motorboats to motor coaches, the CEL-FI ROAM R41 Smart Booster delivers reliable cellular signal coverage for dependable calling, texting, and data transfer when away from home or the office. Rugged design provides trusted durability, and enterprise-grade performance helps keep crews connected, improving productivity and safety. Rural residents, adventurers, and fleet managers will appreciate the product's low-profile design and the intuitive Nextivity Wave software used for setup. The system is easy to install under seats or in other discrete locations inside any land vehicle or boat. With plug-and-play operation, the CEL-FI ROAM R41 can be set up, powered on, and improve your cellular signal within minutes. The ROAM R41 is the industry's most powerful cellular connectivity solution for on-the-go applications. So, whether you're out working or playing, stay in touch, stay safe, and live life connected with the Nextivity CEL-FI ROAM R41. Nextivity. Smarter by design.